Good morning, guys. I love doing these videos so much. It's like Sunday night, I know a lot of times people go to bed Sunday night and they wake up and they're like, oh man, I gotta start the week. Guys, I love what we do over here. It's been so fun. If you guys didn't get to watch the last video I just posted on Twitter for all of you guys on YouTube here, the metric literally called the last 3 pumps of Bitcoin perfectly. And it's been kind of insane to watch this. I don't know if you guys have been watching this over the weekend on the 4-hour time frame, but literally, guys, like I thought the daily, real quick, I'll get into the analysis today and I'm going to go through the bearish signs and the bullish, but the daily time frame is insane. Literally calling the bottom over here before I move up. The bottom candle called it here, bottom candle here before I move up. I took it to the 4-hour time frame. This is the top and bottom finder. And I'm like, oh my gosh, literally exact bottom candle call, exact bottom candle call, exact bottom candle call. And on top of that, we got the call for the exit up here for the sell. And additionally, everybody in ADA, I was looking at this morning, it called the top up here as well. By the way, I'm looking to exit some of this. I'll be calling it out in the inside tips for all of our members. So, and then it's like, oh my gosh. And then we got the bottom call here and the bottom call here. I showed you guys in the Bitcoin video. And if you didn't see this, let me show you super fast. And I promise I'll get into this analysis. This is how you guys watching are making money. Seriously. If you guys are watching this, there's not a single oscillator that's able to call these moves because they're pinned to a range. You have to understand, we coded this with a mathematical equation that it does not use any oscillators. That's the fastest way I can say this. It does not use oscillators that are pinned to a range. These are not going to call it. Not a single oscillator you guys have is going to be able to call the bottoms here because it's not with a mathematical equation. When you pin something to a range, you are stuck to that range. All right, let me get into the analysis. Okay, here we go. I want to take you guys to Ethereum here. We're going to go over some signs that I see in the market to push us into the rest of Labor Day here. I'm going to call it the Ethereum Labor Day analysis. All right, number one, trend exhaustion is so ridiculously high up here. So we have trend exhaustion and it's very high. By nature, this is a bearish sign, guys, that everyone needs to be watching out for in the market. If we take this and we simply go to the left over here and we look to say, okay, how is the analysis played out in this scenario here? And we're going to go over here, this scenario here, and we're going to look here and look over here. Let's go straight up. We ended up seeing a drop in the market here. If you go straight up from here, we end up seeing the drop. I'm going to go down here so you guys can see a little bit more transparency as I do this. If we go straight up, you can see the drop. Up here, we see the drop back down. If you go straight up here, we see the market stop and move back down. If you look over here, we can see the market moved up, and then we see the move back down. Great. The last 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, we saw market moves back down. Get these indicators, guys. I'll show you how to get 53% off our new indicator in the description at the end of the video. I want to do analysis first to prove this to you guys. All right? As we're sitting in the top section here, I do believe this is an overall bearish sign. If it was at the bottom down here, I would have to come out and show you guys that it is a bullish sign, and we actually were able to call this pump over here in the market. So that's the undeniable first bearish sign that we see. All right, let's move here. The trend exhaustion is high, but price versus whale money flow is starting to move out of the market, showing the green line that whales are starting to take their money out. Large transactions are starting to move out as price is moving up. So this is somewhat of a form of divergence when price is going sideways and you have money flowing out of the market. So honestly, undisputably, guys, this is a bearish sign in the market. So let's write this up here. Price versus whale money flow has divergence. So divergence right there. And this is honestly, by nature, a bearish sign in the market. Okay, let's take a look at some other signs here. We do have a break of a descending resistance line that ended up breaking here. And I was showing this to you guys in the video last week. I said, if we come out here, sorry, I'll make this a little bit bigger. I'll go back to the checklist over there. I said, if we get a doji candle over here, which is, I know this is really weak. It's a very, very, very weak doji, but it's close. We are most likely going to see this be a market reversal sign because dojis are market reversal indicators in the market as far as price action. Now, overall, I do think we actually need to count this as a bullish sign because we did break the descending resistance. So we have what's called a break of descending resistance. I'm going to call it DR if that's okay, just to speed this up a little bit. DR. And this is honestly a little bit of a bullish sign. All right. But here's another sign that you guys aren't going to see if you're looking just at Ethereum. I want everybody to come look at the SPY over here. The SPY, yes, I understand trend exhaustion is low and whale money flow is low, so overall we're looking for that move up, and we actually were able to call this move up on the SPY if you guys were watching that. If anybody took calls based off our video, I believe it was Thursday or Friday, you guys did super, super well, and we were able to see actually a solid candle in the positive. Well, since then, the market has opened up, and we've actually retraced all the way back down. So given giving up all the profits here. Yes, the buy came out and was able to call this, but we are looking kind of bearish, and we really need to hold, guys, the 390 level on SPY, or else we probably are going down, and we're going to probably come down and target this level down here of about 370. If 370 is hit, guys, Ethereum is absolutely going to come back down here and probably hit about $1,000. It correlates over correctly. At minimum, guys, it's going to be about $1,400 if SPY goes back down to that support. Let me show you one more time. If it breaks here and comes down to the next strongest structure support that everybody can see, it is down here and it's right at about 370. If 370 is hit, Ethereum will easily come down to $1,400, and it will probably, in my opinion, easily come down to about $1,000 if we can get that. Why? Because it's just simply moved back down to the descending support here, which correlates over to the structure support as well, around $1,000. All right, so the bearish sign, honestly, over here is that the SPY ended up giving up all of its profits, and we have a bearish candle over there, and by nature, that huge bearish candle is bearish. Okay, so overall, guys, I don't think we're out of this downtrend overall. I know some coins up here, DOT was up over 2% and it's already giving up profits this morning. You know, we saw Doge do a decent run, we saw ADA do a decent run, and on the 4-hour time frame, if you saw the metrics over here, it called the top. So I don't think we're out of this I would say downtrend yet. And I want you guys to be watching this to see what's going to happen next. But we've got overall more bearish signs than bullish. All right, let me just get you guys all the tools that you need to do this yourself. Here's the deal. I'm going to make this fast, guys. If you want to trade with us and take all of our scalping trades, we are 440% more than the S&P 500. I'll show you guys right here. I'll update this so it's all transparent. The last 110 days, if you're using your whole account balance, you're up 44% or 440% more than S&P 500. It's really more like 600% more because the S&P is down about 19-20% right now, okay? If you're using one buy limit, 2 buy limits, 3 buy limits, everything is transparent here, guys. We are only charging, seriously, $75 a month, and you get access to the metric I showed you guys on the daily time frame for all the top 20 cryptos, which is awesome. You guys can see that here, as well as the SPY and the top 20 stock charts as well. So if you guys are watching this doing calls and puts, you're getting all of that, and you guys are end up getting all the access to all the calls that we make for all the scalping over Telegram, all the entries and exits for accumulating the account that I've been showing you guys that we've been doing. We've been accumulating a lot in the account. We're going to buy and we're going to sell. Watch for some calls today, by the way, on 88 in the Telegram channel. But overall, let me get you guys here. This is what you came for. The indicators, the trend exhaustion, and the price for swell money flow are amazing. Get those in the bundle pack. But here's the deal, guys. The bundle pack has the price or swell money flow and trend exhaustion. You will get 9 indicators. Because you guys are spending the money to get the bundle pack for 82% off today, we're going to give you guys a special gift. You will literally receive a coupon code in the form of a PDF called Special Gift, and it will have a 53% off coupon code, $400 off our top and bottom finder. I promise you guys, not to be arrogant on this, I promise you guys, you will not find a better metric in the crypto industry to call tops and bottoms. I promise you. And I want you to go on your charts after you get it today, and I want you to compare it to all of your oscillators and see if the accuracy matches up. I promise you guys, you will see better accuracy here. This is how you get an edge in the market, and this is why you wake up early to make money in crypto, guys. So it is actually cheaper to buy the bundle pack and get the coupon code and buy the new indicator than to buy the new indicator outright. So why buy the new one, get 2 indicators when you can have 11? So bundle pack first, guys. We'll give you guys the coupon code immediately, and we will be giving you guys access to the indicator, the top and bottom finder, today on TradingView. The team and I are taking a half day. I wanted to honor the team because it's a holiday. So everybody purchase right after this video, and we will get you guys access ASAP, I promise you. Snag that. I'm going to end this video here on this screen so you guys can remember this. Bundle pack first, then get the top and bottom finder for 53% off, and get these on your charts, guys, and let's watch for the next moves in the markets. I love you guys. God bless you. Enjoy the money you make, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.